I read the report before the meeting.
I read the report before the meeting.
The report is on the teacher's desk.
The report is on the teacher's desk.
We ate dinner at a new restaurant.
We ate dinner at a new restaurant.
This restaurant makes very good soup.
This restaurant makes very good soup.
We waited for the test result all day.
We waited for the test result all day.
The result was better than last time.
The result was better than last time.
I will return the book tomorrow morning.
I will return the book tomorrow morning.
They return home after the game.
They return home after the game.
We eat rice with vegetables for dinner.
We eat rice with vegetables for dinner.
I bought a bag of rice.
I bought a bag of rice.
He is rich, but he is kind.
He is rich, but he is kind.
They hope to be rich one day.
They hope to be rich one day.
I ride my bike to school.
I ride my bike to school.
We ride the bus every morning.
We ride the bus every morning.
Turn right at the next corner.
Turn right at the next corner.
You gave the right answer in class.
You gave the right answer in class.
The river is wide and slow near our town.
The river is wide and slow near our town.
We sit by the river and watch the ducks.
We sit by the river and watch the ducks.
This road is long and very straight.
This road is long and very straight.
Cars move fast on the main road today.
Cars move fast on the main road today.
My room has a big window and a desk.
My room has a big window and a desk.
Please clean your room before dinner tonight.
Please clean your room before dinner tonight.
My morning routine starts with water and a walk.
My morning routine starts with water and a walk.
Her routine at work is simple and clear.
Her routine at work is simple and clear.
Our class has a new rule about phones.
Our class has a new rule about phones.
Please follow this rule during the test.
Please follow this rule during the test.
I can run fast for a little time.
I can run fast for a little time.
They run in the park every morning.
They run in the park every morning.
I feel sad when it rains all day.
I feel sad when it rains all day.
She looks sad after the game.
She looks sad after the game.
I eat a fresh salad for lunch.
I eat a fresh salad for lunch.
This salad has tomatoes, cucumbers, and cheese.
This salad has tomatoes, cucumbers, and cheese.
Please pass the salt to your mother.
Please pass the salt to your mother.
The soup needs more salt and pepper.
The soup needs more salt and pepper.
We have the same shoes but different colors.
We have the same shoes but different colors.
My idea is the same as yours.
My idea is the same as yours.
I eat a chicken sandwich at lunch.
I eat a chicken sandwich at lunch.
She buys a sandwich and a drink.
She buys a sandwich and a drink.
I say hello to the new student.
I say hello to the new student.
Please say your name slowly for me.
Please say your name slowly for me.
My school is near a big park.
My school is near a big park.
We go to school by bus every day.
We go to school by bus every day.
Science is my favorite subject at school.
Science is my favorite subject at school.
We do a simple science experiment today.
We do a simple science experiment today.
A scientist studies the stars at night.
A scientist studies the stars at night.
The scientist looks at bugs with a glass.
The scientist looks at bugs with a glass.
We swim in the sea near the beach.
We swim in the sea near the beach.
The sea is blue and very calm today.
The sea is blue and very calm today.
I finished in second place in the race.
I finished in second place in the race.
Our class is on the second floor of this building.
Our class is on the second floor of this building.
Please wait 1 second for me.
Please wait 1 second for me.
A second is a very short time.
A second is a very short time.
Please read the next section of the book.
Please read the next section of the book.
The store has a section for baby clothes.
The store has a section for baby clothes.
I see a cat under the table.
I see a cat under the table.
Can you see the small boat now?
Can you see the small boat now?
They sell bread at the corner store.
They sell bread at the corner store.
We sell apples on the weekend market.
We sell apples on the weekend market.
Please send me the photos by email.
Please send me the photos by email.
I will send a note to my teacher.
I will send a note to my teacher.
This sentence is easy to read and understand.
This sentence is easy to read and understand.
Please write 1 sentence about your weekend.
Please write 1 sentence about your weekend.
She is 7 years old today.
She is 7 years old today.
We have 7 books on the table.
We have 7 books on the table.
He is 17 years old next month.
He is 17 years old next month.
We counted 17 chairs in the hall.
We counted 17 chairs in the hall.
My grandfather is 70 years old.
My grandfather is 70 years old.
There are 70 seats in the room.
There are 70 seats in the room.
We share the cake with our neighbors.
We share the cake with our neighbors.
Please share your notes after class.
Please share your notes after class.
She likes to read before bed.
She likes to read before bed.
She takes the bus to work.
She takes the bus to work.
A sheep eats grass near the barn.
A sheep eats grass near the barn.
We saw a sheep on the hill.
We saw a sheep on the hill.
He wears a blue shirt to school today.
He wears a blue shirt to school today.
I bought a new shirt yesterday.
I bought a new shirt yesterday.
I lost 1 shoe near the door.
I lost 1 shoe near the door.
Please tie your shoe before you run.
Please tie your shoe before you run.
This shop sells books and pens.
This shop sells books and pens.
We shop for food on Monday evenings.
We shop for food on Monday evenings.
I like shopping with my mother on weekends.
I like shopping with my mother on weekends.
Online shopping can be easy and quick.
Online shopping can be easy and quick.
This skirt is too short for me.
This skirt is too short for me.
The meeting was short but helpful.
The meeting was short but helpful.
You should drink water during the game.
You should drink water during the game.
She should call her mother tonight.
She should call her mother tonight.
Please show me your ticket at the door.
Please show me your ticket at the door.
The show starts at 6 this evening.
The show starts at 6 this evening.
I take a shower every morning before work.
I take a shower every morning before work.
The shower in this room is very small.
The shower in this room is very small.
I feel sick and need to rest.
I feel sick and need to rest.
She is sick, so she stays home today.
She is sick, so she stays home today.
These two pictures are similar in style.
These two pictures are similar in style.
Our houses are similar, but not the same.
Our houses are similar, but not the same.
I can sing this song very well.
I can sing this song very well.
They sing together in the music club.
They sing together in the music club.
The singer has a strong and clear voice.
The singer has a strong and clear voice.
A singer sings songs on the stage.
A singer sings songs on the stage.
My sister is taller than me.
My sister is taller than me.
Her sister helps with homework every day.
Her sister helps with homework every day. Thanks for listening. Please like and subscribe if you learned something. See you next time.